Hello students, welcome on my YouTube channel SK Mr. Chemistry Classes. If you visit first time, then subscribe my channel for latest notification. In previous video, lecture first, we discuss about mole concepts, and today's we started numericals based on mole concept. Okay, now the first of all, we know about moles. 1 moles of any quantity that contain 6.022 into 10 की power 23 atoms, molecules or ions. 8 HTP or NTP, 1 mole of gas occupied 22.4 liter volume. It is basically, 1 mole of gas, it NTP, that is normal temperature and pressure, or HTP occupied 22.4 liter. Okay, that is 6.022 into 10 power 23 particles occupied it NTP 22.4 liter volume. Okay, now we started the numericals. In previous video I have already do numericals. Next, third numerical is calculate number of moles, number of molecules and number of carbon and oxygen atom in 88 gram of CO2. Okay, that is in 88 gram of carbon dioxide, molecular mass of carbon dioxide 44, but how it will comes, we know atomic mass of carbon is 12, atomic mass of oxygen is 16. Here is 2 oxygen atoms, then 2 multiplied by 16, that is 12 plus 32 equal to 44. Okay, now first of all we calculate the number of moles. Number of moles we already known. Number of moles of CO2 molecule equal to number of moles equal to weight of substance, weight of carbon dioxide upon molecular weight of carbon dioxide. So weight of carbon dioxide is given in question 88, then molecular weight of carbon dioxide equal to 44, then equal to 2 moles. That is 88 gram of carbon dioxide contains 2 moles. Next, second part is number of molecules of CO2. Okay, that is we want to calculate number of CO2 molecules in 88 gram of CO2, that is in 2 moles of CO2. We have already know that how we can calculate the number of particles. Number of particles equal to n into Na. Number of particles equal to, formula is n into Na. Then number of molecules of CO2 molecule equal to n into Na, that is 2 moles into multiplied by Avogadro number 6.022 into 10 power 23, then it comes 12.04 into 10 power 23 molecules. Okay, I hope you have already understand to it. Next, third part is calculate and the number of carbon and oxygen atom in 88 gram of CO2, that is in 2 mole of CO2. Number of carbon and oxygen atom, first we know the number of carbon and oxygen atom of 1 mole of CO2 contain. 1 mole of CO2 means in 1 mole of carbon atom and 2 oxygen atom. 1 mole of carbon dioxide contain 1 atom of carbon and 2 atom of oxygen atom. Okay. Now if we calculate the number of atoms, that is number of carbon atoms, formula is very easy. Number of mole, number of carbon atom in CO2 molecules. Okay, number of carbon atom in CO2 molecule, any 1 mole of CO2 molecule, then multiply by number of moles, then multiply by Avogadro number. We know that carbon dioxide means CO2, 1 carbon, 2 oxygen atoms. Okay, it is clear. So number of carbon atom equal to number of carbon atom 1, number of moles 2, Avogadro number 6.022 to 10 power 23 multiply, then we got 12.044 into 10 power 23 carbon atoms. That is 88 gram of carbon dioxide contain 12.044 into 10 power 23 carbon atom. Next, similarly, number of oxygen atom. Number of oxygen atom, same formula, number of oxygen atom equal to number of oxygen atom in 1 mole of CO2 into number of moles into Avogadro number. Here CO2, in CO2 oxygen atom is 2. The 2 multiply by number of moles 2 into Avogadro number. Then we multiplied it. We got 24.088 oxygen atom. It is very important question. Number of competitions asked these questions. It is also most important for your examination view. Now next question is 8 NTP 11.2 liter of a gas weigh 20 gram, calculate its molar mass. Okay, 8 NTP 11.2 liter of gas, and that is the weight of 11.2 liter of gas equal to 20 gram. Then what is the molar mass of the gas? That is molecular mass. That is molecular weight of the gas. We know already that any gas 8 NTP occupied 22.4 liter. Volume of gas 8 NTP of any gas 22.4 liter. Okay. In question given, in this question, mass of 11.2 liter of gas equal to 20 gram. Then mass of 22.4 liter of gas equal to 20 into 20.4 divided by 11.2. Okay. We can see here that is 20 to 22.4 divided by 11 by 2, that is 40 gram. And mass of gas is 40 gram. Molecular weight of gas is 40 gram. We can convert the molar mass into gram molecular mass or kilogram molecular mass as required in it. Okay. If we represent the mass, molecular mass in gram, then it is known as a gram molecular mass. If we represent in a kilogram, then it is known as a kilogram molecular mass. Okay. Similarly, atomic mass, gram atomic mass, kilogram atomic mass. Next question is now, it NTP 6 into 10 power 23 atoms of diatomic gas weigh 200 gram, calculate the molar mass, that is molecular mass. Okay, same question, 8 NTP 6 into 10 power 23 atoms of diatomic gas weigh 200 gram, calculate the molar mass. Okay, same question. So mass of 6 into 10 power 24 atoms given in the question for 400 grams. Okay, here is some mistake in this question. Actually 6 into 10 power 24 कीजिएगा. Here is 8 NTP 6 into 10 power 24 atoms of diatomic gas weigh 200 gram, calculate its molar mass. तो mass of 6 into 10 power 24 atoms equal to 400 gram. This is given in question. Then mass of 6 into 10 power 23 or in Avogadro number 6.022 into 10 power 23. What for easiness for your calculation, we take 6 into 10 power 23. So mass of 6 into 10 power 23 atoms equal to 200 into 6 into 10 power 23 divided by 6 into 10 power 24. Then mass will becomes 20 gram. Okay, now is the gas is, this is the mass of one atom. This is the mass of one atom. Since the gas is diatomic, here is gas is diatomic, that is the mass of molar mass of diatomic gas equal to 2 into 20, that is 2 atoms here, equal to 40. Okay. Next question is, calculate the number of molecules in a drop of water. Calculate the number of molecule in a drop of water being 0.05 gram. Okay, that is, calculate the number of molecules in drop of water being 0.05 gram. If you any problem to understand in English, then you comments in comment box, then I will teach you also in Hindi. Number of videos also in Hindi medium, you can see in it. Okay, I will explain in Hindi. 0.05 gram of 0.05 gram drop of water, that is molecular mass of water molecule. First of all, we calculate the molecular mass of the molecular mass. Molecular mass is water molecule, we know H2O, formula of water is H2O, that is contain 2 hydrogen atom and 1 oxygen atom. Molar mass equal to 2 into 1 plus 1 into 16, that is 18. Already you know. Weight of water molecule in given this question 0.05. Weight of water molecule 0.05. Then we first of all we calculate the number of moles of water molecule. You already known formula. If molar mass given, weight of substance given, that is mass of water molecule given, then we calculate the number of moles of water molecules. Number of moles of water molecules equal to W upon M. Weight of water molecule upon molar mass, that is 0.05 divided by 18. It is the molar mass, it is the number of moles. For sake of your simplicity, we remains unchanged like it. Next, number of molecules of water molecules, we already know. Number of moles of atoms or molecules or ions equal to N into Na, that is number of moles into number of Avogadro number. Into Avogadro number, number of moles equal to 0.05 divided by 18 into 6.022 into 10 power 23. If we divide, multiply and divide, we get 1.67 into 10 power 23 molecules of water molecule. Okay, like and subscribe to my channel and share to another friends which are your classmates or friends. In next video, in next topic, we are starting limiting reagent. Okay, so we continue tomorrow. Thank you. Thanks for watching my video. If you have any problem, then you contact on my personal number 88 680 39718 for any query, any problem, any difficulty in chemistry. Okay, without any hesitation,